Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about 10 lines on Ugadi festival. So let's start the class. Ugadi is a Hindu festival celebrated mainly in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. Ugadi marks the beginning of new Hindu calendar year which starts with Chaitra month. In Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, this festival is called as Ugadi and in Karnataka as ugadi. Ugadi is combination of two words. Yug means age and adi means beginning. Ugadi is celebrated on the first day of the Chaitra month of Hindu lunisolar calendar. The festival of Ugadi is being celebrated since ages with few significant changes. People in South India believe that Lord Brahma created the universe on Ugadi. People apply castor oil or sesame oil before birth as it is considered auspicious and act as a cooling agent for the transition to hot weather. Cleaning of houses and decoration of temples and deities is done on the eve of the festival. Many dishes are prepared on Ugadi giving a mixed taste of sweet, sour, tangy, hot, salty, etc. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.